Hot take. Cold take. Warm take. Wait.
VTuber self-introduction Q&A. 3, 2, 1, let's go! What is your name? What's your nickname? What kind of VTuber are you? Date of birth? How old are you? Pronouns? How tall are you? Where are you from? Great thing about you! Now perform a quick impression! Where can we find you? Catchphrase 1. Catchphrase 2. Fan emojis? Live tag? Fan art tag? Fan name? Favorite color? Hobbies? What's your skills? Confess your love to your family. Favorite food? Favorite drink? Favorite manga? Favorite anime? Favorite game? Favorite music? Biggest fear? Who's your idol? What's your dream?